Phytogeographical region of India as per Chatterjee and Mani. The geography of India is extremely diverse, with landscape ranging from snow-capped mountain ranges to the desert, the plains, hills, and plateau. India comprises most of Indian subcontinent situated on the Indian plate, the northern portion of the Indo-Australian plate, having coastline over 7,000 km. Most of the India lies on peninsula in the southern Asia that perforate into the Indian Ocean. India is bounded in southwest by Arabian Sea and in the southeast by the Bay of Bengal. The fertile Indo-Gangetic Plain occupies most of the northern, central, eastern India, while the Deccan Plateau occupies most of the southern India. The Indian desert, Himalayan ranges, the Kashmir are the key feature of the India. The India is bordered by the Pakistan, China, Bangladesh, Myanmar, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan, and Sri Lanka. The hydrogeography is very important aspect in the botany, which mainly deals with distribution of the plants over the world. The Indian phytogeography is almost characterized by diverse region and diversity among the flora and fauna. The biogeography deals with the distribution of organisms and communities in the time and space. Phytogeography is the branch of biography which deals with the distribution of plant. The phytogeography also deals with the description of actual distribution of flora at a different part of the world. The plant communities, different geographical area of world including India widely from each other. The science dealing with origin, distribution and environmental interrelations of a plant is known as phytogeography. The scientist could define the phytogeography is a branch of botany that deals with the distribution of plant in the present and past. The phytogeography is considered as an important aspect of the plant ecology. There are two angles of studying the plant ecology, as static or descriptive plant geography involves assembling of the floristic and vegetational data. Interpretive geography involves dynamics of the migration and evolution of the plant.